Plunging into the abyssal plains of our mysterious oceans, innovative technologies unlock the doors to the unexplored and reveal the enigmatic treasures of the deep sea. We've only explored less than 5% of Earth's oceans, yet they are crucial, regulating our climate, absorbing carbon dioxide, and hosting millions of species. Advanced underwater drones and autonomous submarines are scanning the seabed, mapping the unmapped, and unveiling marine mysteries. Machine learning analyses data, identifies patterns, and makes predictions about unexplored oceanic regions, aiding our understanding of the deep blue. The ocean symphony, from whales' songs to dolphins' clicks, translates into valuable data through bio-acoustic monitoring, offering insights into marine life and ocean health. Groundbreaking projects like the Ocean Discovery XPRIZE have spurred the development of cost-effective exploration technologies. Teams harness the power of technology to map the seabed, track biological and chemical features, and provide high-resolution images of the ocean floor. While we might not find krakens, real-life sea monsters, unseen ecosystems, and underwater volcanoes are coming into the limelight. The discovery of new species and ecosystems expands our knowledge of marine biodiversity and has the potential for significant scientific breakthroughs. Bioluminescent organisms could hold the key to medical advancements, and deep-sea minerals could fuel our tech-centric future. However, exploration brings responsibilities. Protecting fragile ecosystems, respecting marine life, and ensuring sustainable practices are paramount. Ethical considerations are vital as we delve deeper and uncover the mysteries that lie beneath the waves. The potential for uncovering untapped resources and understanding climate change impacts is immense. This modern-day exploration is a treasure trove of opportunities and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The deep sea, a world of wonder and enigma, holds lessons about our planet and ourselves. Uncharted waters are calling, and we're ready to answer, diving deep to uncover the secrets of the ocean's abyss. Who knows what wonders and knowledge the depths will reveal as we journey into the unknown? Every dive is a step towards unraveling the intricate web of life that lies beneath, illuminating the mysteries of the deep. The journey through the ocean's hidden realms promises to be a voyage of discovery and enlightenment.